Welcome to another MathWizFlashcards.com video. Today's problems are from Deck 13, Squared Binomials. Here we go. Let's remember that anytime we square anything, it means that we have to multiply it by itself. And we're going to use the FOIL method in order to do that, where we'll take the first, the F for first, term in each set of parentheses and multiply it by itself. And we'll get x to the 6th. And then we'll take the outside of the parentheses, the terms closest to the outside, and multiply them by each other. And we'll get 1x to the 3rd. And then we'll go to the inside of the parentheses and multiply those terms. We'll get 1x to the 3rd again. And then the last terms in each set of parentheses, and we'll get plus 1. Now we'll be able to combine these center-like terms to get a 2x to the 3rd power. And then we bring down everything else. And that's it. Now we're going to flip our card to see that we were correct. X to the 3rd power plus 1 squared is x to the 6th plus 2x cubed plus 1. Again, we know that anytime we square something, we need to multiply it by itself. And we're going to do that. And we're going to use the FOIL method in order to do that. The first, outside, inside, and the last terms. We're going to take the first term in each set of parentheses and multiply it. And we're going to get 25x squared. Then we're going to take the outer terms, the ones closest to the outside parentheses, and multiply them by each other. And we'll get a negative 10x. And then the inside terms, that negative 2 times that 5x. And we'll get another 10x. And then the last terms, a negative 2 times a negative 2, where we'll get a positive 4, because anytime you multiply two negatives together, you end up with a positive, and that's just a rule you'll have to memorize. Then we can combine these center terms because they are like terms, and when we do that, we get a negative 20x. And we bring down the remaining terms, and that's the answer. So when we flip our flashcard, we can see that we were correct. 25x squared minus 20x plus 4 is the answer when we square 5x minus 2. You can practice more problems from Deck 13 involving squared binomials or other high school math topics. Just visit MathWizFlashcards.com.